If you enjoy the water and love to fish, you'll love it even more in a Lavro drift boat. Lavro boats are quieter and less expensive than jet sleds and more stable than canoes or john boats. Lavro boats are also more durable and maneuverable than rafts, wood, aluminum, or other fiberglass boats. A Lavro drift boat is a fisherman's best asset. You can count on a Lavro boat to provide With a Lavro boat, the only thing you'll have to worry about is how you're going to land your big catch. We believe fishermen should be fighting fish, not their boat. That's why Lavro drift boats are designed to get to where the fish are. Our unique fiberglass construction is tough and very slippery. This means you can launch and fish in places where other boats get stuck. When we say our boats are tough, we mean tough. Lavro boats have flexible bottoms to help you glide over large rocks and withstand high-energy impacts without sustaining damage. Unlike fiberglass boats from other manufacturers, our hulls are hand-laminated layer by layer for superior strength without extra weight. Since we don't use closed-cell foam or balsa wood cores, our material doesn't absorb moisture or further delaminate if the hull is punctured. Watch what happens when a rock weighing 110 pounds is dropped on our Lavro boat. Notice how the rock actually bounces back into the air. Now watch what happens when the same rock is dropped on an aluminum hull. Ouch! And now on a competitor's fiberglass boat.
So I think we have a puncture.
That's serious damage. Lavro drift boats are extremely maneuverable. Our unique chine construction gives you, not the river, control of the boat. Our rounded chine design also prevents fishing lines from snapping like they do on aluminum boats.
I use Lavro boats. I've fished them for approximately 20 years. I have had other boats, and as far as I'm concerned, the Lavro boat is a quality built boat.
We've taken over 25 years of boat building experience and incorporated it into the largest selection of drift boats in the world. From exceptional fly fishing dories to professional salmon and steelhead boats to heavy whitewater boats, there is a model for you. Our 15-foot professional fly fishing dory is without question the best such boat anywhere. It has a lower profile for easy boarding and can easily handle high wind areas. Level standing platforms in the bow and stern provide for hours of comfortable fly fishing. Bow and stern knee braces are available to help stabilize fishermen so they can keep their hands free to fish. For heavier water conditions, our 16-foot LRF has many of the same advantages of the 15-foot PFD, but with standard side height. It features raised knee braces in the bow and stern for more comfort and stability. Our 14-foot LRF with its light weight is great for 1, 2, or even 3 fly fishermen. It is excellent in smaller streams and can fit in the back of a standard-sized pickup. For salmon and steelhead fishing, nothing beats our 16-foot OD. With room for a professional guide and 2 or 3 clients, it has an interior arrangement that allows for the widest variety of river fishing ever conceived in a riverboat. If the fish aren't biting and you're up for an adventure, our whitewater boats can take you there. Lavro boats bounce off rocks and glide through rapids better than any boat on the river. And even in the roughest water, our boats are quiet and comfortable because fiberglass doesn't conduct sound and doesn't get cold like aluminum. Sturdy, safe, and secure, Lavro boats are great for the whole family. They're an ideal way to introduce kids to the water and the joys of fishing. We are so confident in the quality and construction of our drift boats that we offer a lifetime warranty. After all, we beat up our boats during stress tests more than you ever will. Our commitment to providing you with the highest quality drift boats at the best possible value means you'll get features like versatility to handle extremely shallow water, superior strength for rocky, rough water, and unparalleled stability, even when you're reeling in that big cat. Lavro drift boats give you everything you want in a drift boat and more.